Scene script. Ever found yourself pondering over how to check if you've won the green card lottery? Well, today's your lucky day because we're about to dive into the step-by-step process, making it as clear as the blue sky on a sunny day. Imagine this. You've entered the green card lottery, you're hopeful, nervous, and excited all at once. But how do you know if you've won? Well, the first thing to remember is that the U.S. Department of State, which runs the diversity visa program, doesn't send out winning notifications by mail or email. So if you receive any such communication, be wary of it being a scam. The only real way to check your status is by visiting the official DV Lottery website. Now, you might be wondering when to check. The results are usually announced in May of the year following your application. So if you applied in the fall of 2023, you can expect to see the results in May 2024. Now, once you're on the website, you'll need to use your unique confirmation number, which you would have received when you submitted your application. After entering this number, along with your last name and year of birth, the moment of truth arrives. The website will reveal whether you've won the lottery or not. But what happens if you've won? Well, first of all, congratulations. It's a major step towards making your American dream come true. But remember, this is just the beginning. Winning the lottery doesn't guarantee a green card. It simply means you're eligible to apply for one. The next step is to fill out Form DS-260, which is the online immigrant visa application. You'll need to provide detailed information about yourself, your family, and your background. Once you've submitted this form, it's a waiting game again. You'll wait to receive an interview appointment from the U.S. Embassy or consulate in your country. At the interview, you'll need to present a number of documents such as your passport, photographs, medical examination records, and police certificates. If everything goes well and you meet all the eligibility requirements, you'll be granted a green card. To recap, checking your green card lottery results involves visiting the official DV Lottery website, using your unique confirmation number, last name, and year of birth. If you've won, the next steps are to fill out Form DS-260, wait for an interview appointment, and present your documents at the interview. And remember, winning the green card lottery is a golden opportunity, but it doesn't guarantee a green card. You still need to meet all the eligibility requirements. So, stay hopeful, stay prepared, and good luck with your journey towards achieving your American dream.